I'm back from the pond while my lamb is cooking. Let's see. What's he doing? He's flopped. Ooh, it smells so good. Well, I've been gone for perhaps, not that long, for a few minutes. 40, I forget. Got my bag here. I could check on the lamb. I could do that, actually. I could. I could indeed. Don't mind me, I got extra stuff everywhere, girl. Everywhere. That's the same bag. I've been using the exact same Ziploc bag to give the birds bird feed. The exact same one. I don't know how long I've had it, but I've been filling it up with healthy waterfowl duck food and fucking using that same exact bag. Isn't that nice? Let's look at Master Flopsy. See how he do. He's had plenty of his vitamins, of course. He always flops on the floor like that. He always does that. He has plenty of food, water. He's solid. It's been about an hour and 30 minutes. Should I check the stove? Let me take this coat off first. Hold on. Hold on. It's somewhat cold, but it's not that cold. It actually felt nice to be out and whatnot. Actually felt quite nice indeed. Quite nice indeed. Yeah, no, it's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. It's not. The lamb's not ready yet. It can't be. It can't be. I'm going to cook the edamame on there. Look at my tiny counter space. Let's fucking see. Let's see how the lamb's doing. I am, of course, gonna broil the top part of the lamb. But we can check on it after visiting the birds by the pond. Let's see. Ooh, hot. Some people sear it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hit that broil, B-R-O-I-L, broil button. But this is how it's doing. It's looking really good. Very scrumptious. I'll just have to brown the top for about 10 minutes. Give that nice finishing touch. That way I don't have to brown it on top of a fucking pan. I'm going to cook the edamame in here. But this is how the lamb is doing. I'm still going to let it cook low and slow. It's kind of like a steam and baking sort of thing. 2 hands for this. Hold on. Where I'm going to put you right there. Yeah, stay still. Don't move. The aluminum foil is covering it completely, and the bones are not burnt either, so that is extra good. All right, I'll wait for another fucking I'll wait another 30 minutes. I'll wait another 30 minutes. before I put this bitch in here with it. That one's going to be well done. That's why I'm cooking it extra low and slow. This one I want rare. So maybe, yeah, 30 minutes, that's fine. I'll put this sucker in. And that's fine for the lamb because that shit is cooking low and slow, baby.